Hello everyone, we are going to go through how you can download music and sound effects from this site called Pixabay, download them to your device and then upload them to Google Drive, where you can then set the permissions and access them from your code. Okay, so you're going to start off by going to this site here, Pixabay, Pixabay.com. So once you've landed onto there, you are then going to log in, and we're going to give you a login that we've set up for you earlier, and the username is capital CTK Braybrook. Okay, capital CTK, capital C TK Braybrook, and the password, I'm going to turn off the I here, is capital CTK Pixabay 3019 star asterisk. Okay, so there's a star at the end, which is what you get when you press Shift 8. Okay, so it's CTK Pixabay 3019. Please be very, very careful typing this in because you don't want to get this wrong too many times and lock yourself as well as everyone else in the class out, because we're all using this same email address. We're all using the same username and password, so if you get locked out, everyone else will get locked out as well. Okay, so make sure that's correct. You can turn on or off the eye to double check that that looks perfect. Click on login, wait for a little bit before the site logs in, and once you've been once you've gotten access, you can then go over to either music or sound effects. So let's take a look at music. If you click on music, right, you can then search for different types of music. So let's say you are writing either a game, a calming experience, or a school tour. And let's say you want to do, let's just go calming music. Okay, so you want to search for calming music, press enter there in the search box, and then you should get a bunch of all of these different results that come back. You can, click on the button here to hear a little preview. So let's just listen to this one here. Okay, if you like the way that sounds, okay, that's okay for now. You are then going to click on this button down here for download, and this is going to take that music and download it to your device. Okay, so it'll be your Chromebook. So wait for that to download. Okay, so you can just click X here, and it's going to download to your device. So the next important thing to remember here is you're going to remember where it downloaded. Okay, so it's probably going to go onto the downloads folder. So you can either click on show in folder or open. You can click on show in folder, and that will bring up that file on your device. So before we do that, I'm going to go over to my Google Drive now. So I'm going to go into my Google Drive. I am then going to go to my drive, and if you haven't created a folder already, I want you to go ahead and click on new folder and create a new folder called coding project. Okay, this way all of your files are going to go into here. So if you double click in the folder, you should have an empty screen here. And what you're going to do is locate the file on your device and upload it onto Google Drive. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the file from here and drag it into my new empty folder here. So give it a sec. It's going to go through and upload onto Google Drive. So once that's done, you're going to need to be able to enable everyone to access this file, because at the moment it's on your Google Drive, but no one else can see it. So you're going to right click on the file, click on share, and then share again. Okay, so right click, share, and then share again. You should get this little box come up. You're going to go down to general access and change the restricted from restricted to anyone with the link. Okay, anyone with the link, wait for it to update, and then you're going to click on copy link. Okay, and that should now copy the link of that file that was originally from Pixabay that you've downloaded onto your device and then you've uploaded onto Google Drive. Okay, so now that you've got the link, you can then go to your code. Okay, here we go. We can now play that sound. Okay, so remember from your code, if you want to test this out, from goodies, import play sound. Okay, and then you can go play sound, open the brackets, open quotation marks, and then you are going to paste in the link that you copied from the Google Drive. Okay, so that was the link that you got from here when you went share, okay, and then copy link after you've changed the access. Okay, so if you run this right now, it's going to wait a little bit, and it might play the music once it's loaded. It might play the music for like 1 second and it stops. So the reason why that's happening is because play sound doesn't wait until the entire music has played before it stops, okay? It just starts playing the sound, and then, because there's no more lines of code afterwards, the program ends. Okay, so it started playing it, and then it ends straight away. So what you want to do is, if you want to test this out, you're going to go print button. Okay, let's go stop like this, and then you can go wait for button click like this, and now you should have the sound playing. Oops, I haven't. I'm just going to go from goodies import star, so I grab both play sound, print button, wait for button click. So run that again. It's going to wait a little bit, play the sound. Okay, should hear the music now, and then when you click stop, the program ends and then the music stops. Okay, so that's how you can take music from Pixabay from a search, upload it onto your Google Drive, change the permissions, copy the link, and then use that link of your Google Drive in Play Sound.